Hello children, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching my video. You are welcome in your class 8th, and in today's video we are going to do two topics from your chapter 2, and we are going to finish it up. And your first topic is impersonal verbs. Impersonal verbs are those verbs which are used when there is no subject or a person. Impersonal means there is no person, no first, second or third person is used here. So which we can say like it rains or it's raining. We cannot say I am raining or you are raining or he she is raining, right? So and we can say it's snowing, and it is must. So I'm not must or you are not must. It is not possible. So let's see how to do it. So le verb impersonal. Right? Le verb impersonal, the impersonal verbs. Here we are going to discuss three impersonal verbs as I described, that the verbs which are not having any subject or person, they are called impersonal verbs, which generally use with it only, right? So we do not have the other subjects in these three verbs. So first verb is falwar, which means must, and second verb is neiger, which means to snow, must, right, or to be must, right, neiger to snow, and plavoir to rain, right? Plavoir is to rain here. Here you can say there we have only one subject, that is ill. You have only one conjugation with ill only. Every time wherever you want to use it, you're going to write il faut. There's only one conjugation of this verb, that is il faut. I hope it is clear. ILFAUT. Il faut. Il is the subject here, which means it, and faut, it is must. Then il neige, as it's a er ending verb, we are going to write like this. Neige, il neige, it snows or it's snowing, right? And then il pleut, it rains or it's raining. So these were three impersonal verbs that we generally use in our daily routine as some simple sentences. So we need to keep it in mind that we are not going to have the other subjects with these three verbs, right? So your next topic is les adverbes de quantité, the quantitative adverbs. Quantitative adverbs where we use not a particular quantity which we can count. It's something in group, right? So you can see here assez de, the expressions which indicate some sort of quantity, that are called adverbs of quantity, right, which we can use with some verbs. Assez de, assez de. So I'm writing it here, so it should be much clear. Les adverbes the quantity, the adverbs of quantity, right? This is the topic. So first one that I'm taking, that is called aseda. Aseda means enough of. Enough of. Right? And then we have bokuda. Bokuda means a lot or lot of, right? Many, much. Right? Then we have combinado. How many or how much? Right? So combinado, how many or how much? Okay? Then we have appada. A little of. Poem is little, a little of. Right? These adverbs are indicating some sort of quantity, which is little or more or much or enough. Right? So here, enough of. Where do we use enough of? There is a rule: if you have something already with you and you do not want to take more, there we use enough of or aseda. So what is the rule of using aseda? You are having something with you, something, and you do not want anything more, right? There we use aseda. For example, you are already having vegetables in the fridge and you do not want to buy more vegetables, then you can say, no, I don't want to buy, I have enough of vegetables in the fridge. Then bokudo, lot of. I have a lot of friends, I have a lot of toffees or chocolates in my pocket. So a lot of, that's you know better how to use it. You can use it anywhere you want. Then combinado. So what is the rule of combinado? Combinado can be used with question mark only. If you have a question, only there you can use combinado. How much or how many books you have, how many dresses you are buying, like this. So you need to use combinado with question mark only. Then you have appada, a little of, right? Or few, you can say. So I take a little of sugar in my coffee, or I only take a little vegetable in dinner, like this, right? So a little of milk is enough in my tea. So one or two more things, like here you can say, today I am taking the rules only, and in the next video we are going to see how to judge where we are going to put which adverb, right? So we'll do some exercises. So next one is plude and moado. Plude means more than, and moada means less than, right? More or less, you can say. but what is the main thing is where we compare something. I take more coffee than my friend. I'm having more dresses than my cousin. There you use pluder or mother, right? But one more indication that you can judge where to put pluder or mother, the statement which is having curve, which means then, which indicates comparison, that takes pluder or mother, right? Now throw the means too much, which goes as a negative adverb. If you want to say she is taking too much coffee, she is going to have stomach ache, so that is a negative indication. So there we use throw the, right? And tonder is so much. This is the negative one, and tonder is positive. She is having so much knowledge, or she is having so much food to give to poor people. So this goes with positive sentence, and if you want to negate a sentence or you want to give a negative expression, there you can say throw them. So that's all for today. These were some quantitative adverbs, and in the next class we are going to discuss how to use them in the exercises. Generally we get the fill in the blanks as exercise in the exams, or you can find your exercises in your book as well. Till then you have to revise everything whatever we have done, and if you are facing any problem, then don't forget to call me or text me on my personal window. So till then, bye and have fun, enjoy your life.